If you want to create a social post in Gamma app quickly and make it look clean, professional, and ready to share, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can go from a blank screen to a finished social post in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign in to your account. If you already have an account, just log in normally. If not, you may need to create one before continuing. Once you're inside Gamma, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can start a new project. Look for the Create New button and click it. This is where Gamma lets you choose the type of content you want to build. From the available content options, select Social or Social Post. This tells Gamma that you want a design optimized for social media rather than a presentation, document, or web page. Next, Gamma will ask you what your post should be about. This is where you enter your topic or idea. For example, you could type something like create a social post about AI study tips or write about fitness motivation, business growth, productivity, or any topic you want to share online. The more specific you are, the better Gamma can shape the design and text for your post. After that, make sure to tell Gamma how you want the content to feel. A great prompt would include instructions like make it short, visual, and easy to read. That helps Gamma keep the message concise and create a layout that works well for social platforms. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate or Continue, depending on the button Gamma shows on your screen. Gamma will then start building your social post automatically. In a few moments, you should see a draft version appear with text, layout, and design elements already applied. If Gamma gives you theme or style options, take a moment to browse through them. Choose a design style that matches the tone of your post. For example, if your post is about business or productivity, you might want something clean and modern. If it's about motivation or lifestyle, you may prefer something bold and colorful. Picking the right style can make your post much more engaging. Now review the generated post carefully. Read through the headline, body text, and overall layout to make sure everything looks good. If the headline feels too long, simplify it. If the text is too wordy, trim it down. Since social posts need to be fast to read, clarity is very important. You can also edit the colors, fonts, and spacing if Gamma gives you those options. If there's an image or visual element in the post, check whether it supports your message. Sometimes a small change in the image or background can make the whole post feel more polished. Don't be afraid to customize the design so it fits your brand or your personal style. That's one of the biggest advantages of using Gamma. It makes the first draft for you, but still gives you control over the final result. Once you're happy with everything, your social post is ready to export, copy, or share. At this point, you can use it for platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, X, Facebook, or wherever you want to post your content. And that's it. You've just created a social post in Gamma app the easy way. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.